I always thought yachting in Dubai was just for celebrities with a no-limit black card. The whole idea felt totally out of reach. But what if I told you that you could get the full luxury yacht experience, iconic views, a live barbecue on deck, for less than a nice dinner out? Today, I'm showing you how on a shared luxury yacht tour. So, what's the secret? It's simple. Stop thinking private and start thinking shared. Instead of chartering a whole boat, you just book a single spot. It's the same luxurious yacht and the same stunning views, but the cost is split. You get the full VIP feeling from the red carpet at the Dubai Marina without the VIP bank account. Things kick off at the glittering Dubai Marina, surrounded by incredible skyscrapers. The yacht itself is gorgeous, and the professional crew handles everything. We sailed past Jumeirah Beach Residence, got a perfect shot of the Ain Dubai, cruised by the iconic Burj Al Arab, and saw the Atlantis hotel from the water. An onboard guide even points out the sights. Here's where the value really kicks in. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a dining experience. We opted for a tour with a live barbecue station right on deck. The crew served up fresh sliders and skewers while we were anchored against the Dubai skyline. It turns a sightseeing trip into a full, memorable event. Let's talk numbers. A 2-hour cruise with a full meal included will run you somewhere between 160 to 210 dirhams per person. Tours run all day, including breakfast, sunset, and moonlight options. Booking is easy, and we recommend using book-dubai.com, which is the leading attraction ticket platform in Dubai.